Indirect object pronouns, part 2. Okay, so I've got the meanings of the dative case pronouns here. If you want to look at your previous notes or the previous video to get the equivalence in the nominative case, you can do that. But for now, I'm going to teach you about word order and how we actually use these in a sentence. Now, I've already told you that this is the dative case, which is the to the case. So you're going to be having something given to someone. So first of all, let me give you the word order, and we're going to use Svid for that. Svid is your friendly Swedish exchange student, and he will help you learn German word order. Subject, verb, indirect object, which is these words here, direct object. So up until now, you've done Svd. Now you're going to do Svid. You're going to have subject, verb, indirect, and direct. So on this number 1 here, I'm going to diagram that for you. So ich, subject, gebe, give, verb. The thing that we put here is going to be our indirect object. That's the new stuff. Direct object, das Bauernbrot, the country bread, that's going to be the direct object. So literally we're trying to say that we're giving someone, to someone, the country rye bread. So remember, the thing that is being given, we did that with the accusative case. The thing being given is the direct object. The person you're giving it to, that's your indirect object. Okay, so I could take any of these and put down here in this sentence to make it make sense. Ich gebe dir das Bauernbrot. I give to you the country rye bread. Okay, now in English, we don't necessarily always say to when we're doing indirect objects, but sometimes we play with word order and we might say, I give the country bread to you. So in English, we can move these words around a little bit more, and depending on what we do, it adds a to or takes it away. German, they're pretty strict about word order. Keep it like this. Don't break those rules. Subject, verb, indirect, direct. Ich gebe dir das Bauernbrot. Well, suppose I don't want to give it to you. Suppose I want to give it to my cameraman. Ich gebe ihm, to him. So notice these letters are just switched around in him, and it makes ihm. I just scramble my letters and I get ihm. Ich gebe ihm das Bauernbrot.
Danke.
Bitte. Das Kind zeigt blank seine Note. The child is showing to someone his grade. Okay, so same thing. This child is showing to someone. The child is not showing the person. The child is showing the grade. So this is our direct. We've got our subject and our verb. We're going to put in one of these indirect object pronouns as the indirect object. Das Kind zeigt uns, shows to us. Das Kind zeigt uns seine Note. Maybe he's going to show it to you guys watching the video. In that case, since I'm assuming more than one person is going to watch this video, I'm going to go with euch. I'm going to pretend like we know every one of you personally. Das Kind zeigt euch seine Note. Svid. Svid. In order to do this very well, you'll need to memorize these the indirect object pronouns. Mainly practice helps with this. I'll make another video in just a few more moments, but that's it for now. Tschüss.